tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think he'll understand. And if you tell my heart. Hey, welcome back. We are at song 6. Yay, fist bump. Okay, well, and if you're just coming into this and going, song 6? I've got a whole playlist. I'll link it up here and down below. Get you started on your ukulele journey. I love to hear how your ukulele journey is going. So please leave me comments down below. Let me know the joys, the frustrations, the ahas, whatever. This is the most recent of the songs that we're going to tackle in our first 10 songs made famous by Billy Ray Cyrus, known as Miley Cyrus's dad. I hope you've warmed up. I hope you are keeping the songs that you've already learned going and feeling that you're getting more fluency. How's that shift from C to G7 going? Is it getting up to be like a B+, maybe an A-? I hope so. Let's do the box diagram because nothing trains us better to hear how long you have to do a chord than by just kind of doing the humming and not worrying about fitting in the words. Let's get ready to play. Let's make sure we're in tune. My dog has fleas. We're going to keep the 2-beat strum. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, begin. Just to get us kicked off, we're going to do 2 patterns of the down, down, up on C. Now, I want you to know that I have performed this song live at venues, like folk festival in Fairbanks, and it's a 2-chord song, but as part of my ukulele evangelism, I want people to know that you can do wonderful entertaining and get the crowd clapping and laughing with just 2 chords. If you hear any accompanying noise, it's my dog snoring. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and here we go. You can tell the world you never was my girl. You can burn my clothes when I'm gone. Or you can tell your friends just what a fool I've been and laugh and joke about me on the phone. Tell my arms go back onto the farm. You can tell my feet to hit the floor. Or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they won't be reaching out for you no more. Oh, but don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think he'll understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. Oh, you can tell your mom I moved to Arkansas. You can tell your dog to bite my leg. Or tell your brother Cliff, whose fists can tell my lips, he never really just don't think he'd understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. He might blow up and kill this man. He might blow up and kill this man. Hey, how is it going? Again, I love to hear from you. I do answer comments. I want to encourage new beginning ukulele players, and I join the world of fun with the ukulele, so I will reply. Catch it in our next video. I hope that this tutorial and play along has brought you joy and confidence in your ukulele journey. I would like to thank all my patrons for their great feedback, song suggestions, community building, and your very important financial support for my teaching efforts. If you appreciate what I do and have a few dollars a month to spare, I encourage you to join our growing Patreon community. Don't forget to hit that like button before you go, and keep spreading the ukulele love.